He does this to fulfill Allah's command. I take precautions because you commanded, O Lord. However, I am aware that if you were to bring me trouble, there exist numerous diverse types that I cannot even fathom. There are methods in which the armies of the celestial beings and the planet are under your control in your understanding. When you manipulate any variable in the equations of my life with anyone, any of the parameters in the equations, you have the ability to poison my life, and if you haven't done so, it's solely because of your mercy. The servant attributed this to God's mercy and goodness towards him, and this is indeed the truth. Therefore he praised him. O Lord, whatever blessing I have experienced during the evening today, it is a result of your grace, and it belongs to you. So from you and for you is all praise, as it is fitting for your majesty and greatness, and the greatness of your sovereignty. I wish to praise you. I desire to commend Salal in the manner that most appropriately fits his character, his dignity, his rights, and his reputation. I experience the gratitude of this situation until my kindness. Otherwise, I might not be here right now. I could be in the hospital, I could be in prison, I could be in other troubled places where I have lost my loved ones, lost my belongings, and could be right in the middle of any of my dangers and fears. If it didn't happen, I ended it with your mercy. When it's morning, lahum ma asbaha bi min nima'in. The calculation of risk is solely based on what will happen in advance and nothing else but that. Not fear, but as it is in the secular realm for believers. It is also a happiness with the face that looks at the experience side in your eyes. This is a sign that Allah, the Exalted and Majestic, has shown mercy to him, and a comment on the good treatment he has received from the Almighty. The servant always ensures to keep God in his mind.